we need to give it as one. Basically, we have the content with us, right? Once we have the content, we would move on, and topic is what we've spoken. Then we set up new spreadsheet row, right? So we configured that. We continue with some more. We've got this. We do this, and then we choose column P so that it gets refreshed. Now, once it has been refreshed, you can see that you will be getting your content. So content, you search. Right now, I'm not getting any content, so retest that. So we have been able to retest it, and we move on to continue. Before that, let me just check one thing again. Data out, data in was sent, data in was this, right? And data out you get as this. Now create an avatar video, configure, topic, video title we get, callback ID we've gotten, folder ID we have as scene. You can choose your scene, and then you continue. Then you test step. Video was sent, then we move on to next step. Now what we do is basically once you have chosen your step, now video must be processed and rendered on the server, which typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. Use the avatar video success trigger. So basically, you have to remove this, okay? So you basically delete this. This has been done, so we publish it. Let us say 1. Okay, we have published this one. Now we create another zap in order for us to go home. Let me just see if we have the right option. No, we don't. So we basically have to create one on our own. So let us create that zap. So we move on here. We have to choose HeyGen. These 2 steps we have to create. So I'll do that right in front of you. So basically we have done this, and what we can do is we can use Copilot here. We can just say this. We can just copy this and paste it here, right? And this would automatically create this zap for you. Obviously you'll have to edit it and stuff, but just see new avatar videos, event success. We add this. Okay, once we have added this is the trigger. Then we see retrieve shareable link for the video. So we have to add another step. This is the action step which we'll add. We'll take HeyGen again. So HeyGen we've chosen, and we choose the action event as retrieve shareable link for video, and continue. Configure this. So video ID is basically the ID of the video for which you want to generate a shareable link. Okay, so this is the one. So first, let me just continue this and test the step. So we have test trigger, and yes, we are able to continue with this record. Then we continue this, configure video ID. So basically we have to mention the video ID. Configure actions like sending an email response to the video link once the video is ready. So it will typically take 2 to 5 minutes, right, to obtain the shareable link. So you have to go on to this retrieve shareable link, right, and you get the result. So how do we get the video ID, right? We have to figure that out. So let me just move this and we check this out. Value for the video ID, we have to choose this one. This is basically the new video that we've created. We continue with this, and then we test the step. Send shareable link to HeyGen. Okay, so we've gotten the shareable link, and once we have shareable link, what we have to do is use the retrieve shareable link. Use this retrieve shareable link for a video from HeyGen and upload video to YouTube using the URL. Yes, we have given Copilot our instruction. So yeah, you can retrieve the shareable link from HeyGen and then upload it. Here's an action you can add. So upload video, yeah, we have to add this. So selecting the account, upload video, you have done this, continue, we configure the step. Now title and all these things, I can fill as many fields. You can see Copilot is doing the stuff. So we are waiting for Copilot to fill these out. So we'll wait for that. Okay. So till then, so yeah, you can see now it has filled it on its own. So you can see the title. We can change this title to the title from. We can change this to from Sheets is not available. From Google Sheets topic, it's not available. So how do we merge that? We could actually rename our video on HeyGen itself, and this video was created using HeyGen's. Okay, we can change this as well. Description we can add the text. So we can add video ID, and video we have the shareable link. Privacy status we have to make it public, and publish ad you can choose. Tags you can put in, right? So make for case false and continue. Now what we do is test the step and publish it. So we have created another zap. So these 2 zaps we'll be using simultaneously for our purpose of creating the stuff. And this is the Google Sheet. So whenever you have a new spreadsheet row, then it will be creating that. Okay. So we go and first check any zap runs. So there are no zap runs. We go over to home. We check our zap history. Have we done any tasks or not? So we see we have 1 task published just now, and zap history. We go over to this. We check out the zap runs. So that one errored. So what we'll do is we'll create another topic. Let me just copy this one and create a new row in the topic itself. So once I've done this, the trigger event would be set off, and you can see that I have basically just created a new row right now on Google Spreadsheet. and you see that in a matter of seconds, it will be showing here that an update was sent here. So we check that out.